ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 22 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 5. ಅಮುಂ ಚ ಸಂಪಾಶ್ಯ ವಿಕರ್ಷತೋ ಭಟಾನ್ ವಿಮುಂಚತೇತ್ಯಾರುರುದುಃ ಬಲಾದಮಿ ನಿವಾರಿತಾಸ್ತೆ ಚ ಭವಜ್ಜನೈಸ್ತದಾ ತದೀಯ ಪಾಪಂ ನಿಖಿಲಂ ನ್ಯವೇದಯನ್. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅಮುಂ ಚ ಹಿಂ ಅಜಾಮಿಲ. ಸಂಪಾಶ್ಯ ಟೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ರೋಪ್ಸ್. ವಿಕರ್ಷತಃ dragging away. Bhataan the messengers of Yama. Vimunchata release him. Iti ami. So saying, they thy attendants. Balat aruruduhu stopped by force. Tada then. Bhavajjanaihi nivaritaha te cha they who were obstructed by thy emissaries. Tadiya papam nikhilam all his sins. Nyavedayan narrated. Full meaning. They stopped by force the messengers of Yama who were tying up and dragging away Ajamila, asking them to release him. Then they who were thus obstructed by thy emissaries narrated all his sins. Om Tat Sat.